Hi everyone, and welcome to the Box Institute tutorial on using formulas and functions in Excel. In this video, we're going to be covering some of the most commonly used formulas and functions, which include sum, average, and if. First, let's look at the sum formula. So in this example, we have an inventory of fruit. All the inventory listings are for January 2023. We have 9 apples, 5 bananas, 8 pears, 22 oranges, 13 plums, 6 peaches, and 7 pomegranates. And what we're going to do is we want to get a sum total of all of those. In order to do that, we would use the sum function. We type in equals sum, and you'll see it automatically pop up there. And if we just double click that, it'll start our function for us. And what we want to do here is put in the numbers that we want to add together. So basically what we'll do is we'll just highlight all those numbers and we will put a close parentheses in there and we'll hit enter. And there you go. That is the sum total of all of these different fruits. And we have 70. Another way you can actually get a quick sum of a set of numbers is to highlight and select those numbers and then look down here in the bottom right corner and you'll see where it says sum 70. You can actually see where it says count of 7. That means there's 7 different numbers there. And then an average of 10. So when you average all of these numbers together, you get the number 10. That's kind of a cool, quick way to find those different values. So let's go and we'll label this sum because we are going to, that is the sum of all those numbers. And now we're going to find the average of all of those numbers. And in order to do that using a formula, we would type in equals and we start typing in average. And there you have it, first one up there, average. If we double click that, and again, similar type thing, open parentheses, we highlight the numbers we want to average together. And we do a close parentheses and enter. And there we have it. We have an average of 10. So all of these numbers averaged up is 10. Now let's move on to the if formula. This formula is used as a test condition. So we want to do a test and see if this number is greater than 10. So in order to do that, we'd be typing equal sign. IF, and here's the first one. We double click it and we do the logical test. So we want to check to see if this number is greater than 10. And if that is true, we want it to say true. And if it's false, we want it to say false. And then we close parentheses and we type enter. And there we have it. So is this number greater than 10? No, it's not. So I put in a value of false. What we can do here is we can actually highlight and drag this down and copy that formula into each one of these cells. And you'll see that 9 is not greater than 10, so that's false. 5 is not greater than 10, that is false. 8 is not greater than 10, so that is false. 22 is greater than 10, so that's true. 13 is greater than 10, and that is true. 6 is not greater than 10, false. 7 is not greater than 10, false. So there you have it. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed our video. And that's it for our tutorial on using sum, average, and if in Excel. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use these formulas and functions to make your work in Excel more efficient and accurate. As always, if you have any further questions or need help, please don't hesitate to contact us.